Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around our move up here at Lancaster Volkswagen. It's a 2017 plate and it's finished in tungsten silver. So the move up is in the middle of the up range. So made for town, city driving or you're perfect for a first car. It's got a few bits of kit. Obviously you can move up to the Polo or Golf if you're looking for a bit more, but this has everything you need. You've got alloy wheels, metallic paint, you've got Bluetooth connectivity inside. So everything that you could want on a little car. We'll give it a full 142 point check before you buy it. So you'll get brakes to engine to fluids, to seat belts to tyre depth. Every single thing will be checked before you buy the car, so you know that you're in good hands. You'll also get a 2-year approved used Volkswagen warranty with this car and 2 years roadside assistance, so loads of peace of mind with an approved used Volkswagen. Another thing that you get is also, if you buy this car on PCP, you'll also get 2-year service plan, so really good. I'll just turn the car on for you now. See, no problems. It's done 24,318 miles. DAB radio on this car as well. Down, there's a radio. So you've got DAB, the option, so you can have all your favourite stations. Really good to have. So yeah, you've got all the main stations on there. Really nice feature. You've also got your media, so you can have Bluetooth as well, or you can use an aux cable and plug your phone directly into the car. Lower down here, you've got your 12-volt cigarette lighter, tyre pressure setting, and then your movable cup holder like so. 5-speed manual gearbox, really smooth, nice gearbox. And then you've got your manual handbrake as well. And you've obviously got 2 seats in the back pointing up. If it was a Polo, it'd have 3. So that is our Volkswagen move up 3-door here at Lancaster Volkswagen. I'll show you the outside and I'll tell you a few more bits about the car. If you do have any questions about this car, then please do not hesitate to contact us. It's the smallest car in the Volkswagen range. And like I say, it'd be perfect first car for someone. Really nice car to nip about in. We do offer flexible financial services as well as part exchange welcome from any brand. So please do not hesitate to contact us and we look forward to seeing you soon.